Now we have to design an open well staircase with a trade of 250 mm and rise as 150 mm. Considering M20 and Fe415 and solving by Dimitrov method. We have to see this flight also, we have to see this flight also. When we considering this flight, then this is 2.25 plus 1.5 is 3.75. When I consider this flight, 1.25 plus 1.5, that is 3, that is 4.25. This length is more as compared to that of this. This is 4.25 and this is 3.75. So we'll have to always consider the longer span for assuming the depth. And we start with assuming the depth for considering this longer span as 4.25 and then started calculating the other parameters. Now this is the longer dimension of 4250, span by 20, it comes out to 112. Because we are supposed to find out the overall depth, I am considering overall depth as 200 and effective it is 180 mm. First of all, I have calculated the cos of theta is nothing but t upon under root of t square plus r square is comes out to 0.857. Now, dead load of a slab. Considering 200 mm, so dead load of a slab will be nothing but 0.2 into 1 into 25 and its vertical component is divided by cos theta 0.856, it comes on 5.83 kN per meter. Now, floor finish and live load. Live load 3 kN per meter multiplied by 1, otherwise you can call 3 kN per meter square, and this is also taken as 1 kN per meter square. Multiplying by 1, we are getting W as 5.83 from the weight of the slab, its vertical component, then live load, floor finish 9.83. Weight of the stairs half R into T into 25 divided by R T, and you will get it is 1.875. Adding all the things, it comes out to be 11.705 kilonewton per meter, say 12 kilonewton per meter. Design load will be multiplying by 1.5, it is 18 kilonewton per meter. Rounding out on the higher side, it is say 20 kilonewton per meter. Now about the landing. Landing comprises of only the dead load, live load and floor finish with a slab thickness of 200 is 0.2 into 25 into 1 plus 3 plus 1 live load and floor finish multiplied by 1 for considering the WD1, then it will be comes out to be 13.5, rounding out on the higher side we have 14 kN per meter. So we have got two dimensions with us. One, the 20 kN per meter, and at landing half the landing load, that is 14 by 2, that is 7 kN per meter. Now considering the first flight right from here to here, this is 2.25 and 1.5. For that 1.5 the loading will be half, that is 7, and now drawn the figure 2.25 and 1.5, this is 20 and this is 7 kilonewton per meter. This is 7 kilonewton per meter. I have found out the reaction. Find out that point where the shear force changes the sign, and we find at 1.6 meters the reaction comes out to be 33.6 kilonewton and 21.9 kilonewton. So bending moment, that is the point X is 1.60. So we have to find out the maximum bending moment, W into X that is Ra into x minus 20 into 1.6 acting at 1.6 by 2, 28.8 kilonewton meter. Now considering the another span, which is now this is considering this span now. When we consider this span, half loading, full loading and half loading, that here it will be 7 kN per meter, here it is 20 kN per meter, and here again 7 kilonewton per meter. And you will find this has been drawn over here like this. This has been drawn over here like this. 1.5, 1.25, 1.5. This is 7 kilonewton, this is again 7 kilonewton per meter, and this is 20 kilonewton per meter. Now the loading is symmetrical. Hence the reaction is equal, 23 on both sides. So definitely the maximum bending moment will be at the center. So we have found out the maximum bending moment at the center of this 4.25, that is at the distance of 2.125 from the either of the support, and that comes to 30.55 kilonewton. Just see the difference, slight difference is there. This is 28.22 and this is 30.53. Considering the maximum bending moment at 30.53, if we find out the D, it comes out to be 105 less than 180 that we have assumed so far. Our design is same. Area of steel and other checks can be applied. As the difference is very less, so whatever the reinforcement that we have provided in this direction, the same can be provided over here, or we have calculated for this, the same can be provided over here also, because the difference of only 28 and 32 kilonewton meter is there, and that's why other checks are applied as usual, and the design can be very easily done. That's over and all.